In Stafford County is facing dozens of charges, including involuntary manslaughter. Dr. Nivedita Mohanty is accused of distributing narcotics. And as Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Jeff Goldberg reports, in one case, those narcotics allegedly led to death.
As a physician, likely trusted and respected, Dr. Nivedita Mohanty is not considered by many a likely suspect for such serious crimes.
I can't imagine she was doing it out of anything else but money. Where else can you find a motive out of doing something like that?
Mohanty, who is 54 and specializes in internal medicine and cardiovascular disease, was stopped and arrested in this commuter lot on Courthouse Road in Stafford. According to authorities, she was illegally distributing substantial quantities of prescription pain medication in Stafford County and surrounding areas. Mohanty is being charged with 72 counts of felony narcotics distribution, 22 counts of insurance fraud, and 1 count of involuntary manslaughter stemming from an overdose death investigators say was directly related to medication she distributed.
I mean, it sounds like horrific. I mean, that just is not something that should happen. It's not something you should ever hear.
Crazy. Nobody should be doing anything like that whatsoever.
We stopped by Mohanty's practice in Stafford, which she operates with another doctor out of this building on Garrisonville Road. An employee spotted us and it was clearly open for business, but no one would come to the door. Several medical websites rate Dr. Mohanty's services as good or excellent. Jeff Goldberg, ABC 7 News.